Hello guys, in this video I will show you China has released its open source Google Genie 3 alternative for building complete games from prompt. So as you all know, Google has this paid subscription Genie 3 which actually allows you to build out complete games using prompt. But recently China has released its open source version of this Genie 3 alternative. So I have given the GitHub link in the description of the video. It's actually built by a company called as Tencent Huana HY World 2.0. So this is actually the GitHub repo. You can just see here it's just 5 days ago released. It's already got almost 1200 GitHub stars. Already that much of people are watching this GitHub repo. So it's developed by this company Tencent. It's similar to this Genie 3, which actually allows you to completely make complete game worlds. So this is their official website right here. You can actually check out. It's a Chinese-based website. It's developed by huantencent.com/world. So it's also available on Hugging Face as well. You can directly download this model inside your machine as well. So this model allows you to generate, reconstruct, and simulate 3D game worlds using simple prompt. So this is actually their actual demo version right here. So these are some of the game worlds which are actually released here. You can actually control it using your arrow keys. So these are some of the examples. You simply write the prompt and automatically this AI model generates a fully fleshed games in a matter of seconds. So these are different worlds. You can edit your worlds as well, different kinds of worlds with a single click. And also you have the ability to export each and everything into a complete game. So simulations, everything, it will be available. So you can actually control it using your. So it is released on April 15th. As you can see, it is just released HY World 2.0. So you can just see here, it has all the features here, and it's completely open source. And output, as you can see, it generates pixel videos, non-editable. This generates real 3D assets. Completely all the game is editable. Unlimited assets persist permanently. It also consumes GPU as well in real time. So these are some of the things here. So if you have a powerful machine, now to actually get started, you can actually clone it directly. So this is their GitHub repo. You can actually clone this directly. Just open your command line. Just open the directory wherever you need to clone this. So this is completely open source. You actually write git clone and this will clone this GitHub repo directly inside your machine. So, so after you do this, you cd into this and create conda with environment and install all these packages which are required for Python packages. Step-by-step instructions are given. You can actually do this. Once you do this, you can directly use this app directly inside your machine. So this is step-by-step instructions are given. Performance-wise, as you can see, different quality-wise, this is actually beating this Google Genie 3, which is also used to create the game worlds. So it's also available directly on Hugging Face as well. You can directly download this model as well. So it's just released. These are some of the spaces which are deployed using this AI model. You can try this completely free on Hugging Face. So here you can actually, a application is made right here directly. So you can upload your own images or video input frames as well. So if you have any image, you can actually select that image and reconstruct 3D scene. As soon as you do this, this model will actually convert this image into a 3D world, 3D game world that you can actually play. So you can try out this actual model directly on Hugging Face. It's completely open source, great alternative to Google Genie 3. So now you can see it actually created this 3D world scene for you so that you can actually play with this. So similarly, you have different spaces which are there. So it's completely open source as you can see right here. So they have given this full documentation. So really this Genie 3 alternative developed by Chinese version. Definitely check out this. It's developed by Tencent HY World 2.0. This is their full GitHub repo right here. You can actually try this for simulating. So this is another hugging space which are actually using this model. So definitely check this out.